my Lena Bays, it's your girl Lena Mariah. If you're new to the freaking channel, welcome back my baddies. How my baddies are doing? So you guys, you see this beautiful look? Do you see this beautiful braid look, baby? It took 30 minutes to get these braids. I ain't had to sit there for an hour or two. I ain't had to sit there for 4 to 6 hours. Your girl only took 30 minutes to get this look. So you guys, if you want to see how I got this beautiful look, continue watching. But before you do so, make sure you subscribe to the family, like the video, and click that bell and know if I'm posting new freaking videos. So you guys, let's get into this video.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins, I won't be paid.
Another wig review. So this is the wig I am rocking today. It is called the Lexqui, Lexqui hair wig. This is from Amazon, you guys. It's a braided wig. The price will be there. Also the link will be down in the description as well. So you guys, I'm excited about this wig. I supposed to been did this content, but I had braids in my head. So yeah, so she come in a bag. So this is the bag she come in. On the back of it kind of have like instructions with it, like you can wash it in lukewarm water with a mild conditioner, avoid hot water, air dry with any type of heating equipment, use conditioner instead of shampoo, hang in a plastic mannequin when not in use to preserve its shape and prevent tangles. So this is a cute little hair bag. So I gotta figure out how to open it. This like literally this like a real unboxing. I haven't opened it yet. So what comes inside of it, comes with a wig cap. It also comes with these little lashes. I can't do nothing with these, but they cute or whatever for somebody that's young. And they come with little beads, the little clamps, whatever it's called. Come with the little clamps to put on the hair. So this is how the wig look coming out the pack. Take all that paper out. We're gonna just throw it over there. We're gonna, y'all just throwing this junk everywhere. Come with all type of clamps. Like, just know it come prepared, okay? Throw it over there. All right. So this is what the wig is looking like, y'all. This is what it's looking like. Like, it's not thin, but it's not thick either. It's like in the middle. So if you don't like a lot of braids, it's like the perfect wig for you. If you do not like a lot of braids, this is what the lace looking like. So it looks like it's already pre-plucked. It does look pre-plucked, and it also looks bleached already, but I'm gonna still bleach it. So yeah. Also inside is some clamps here. Also it comes with a band here. So, and it's a 360 wig, y'all. So if you want to glue it down in the back, you can do that too, but I'm not doing all that. I'm gonna go on and cut the lace and go on and bleach it. Well, I'm just gonna bleach it first. I'm gonna bleach it, then I'm gonna go and cut the lace. Also, it comes with baby hair already, as you can see, pre-cut baby hair. So let's see how that goes. But I like installing my wigs now with the lace already cut off. So I'm gonna bleach it, and we're gonna see how it goes. So let's get into installing this wig. So while I was letting I bleached my lace, and it looked really, really good. Or whatever. Did my makeup as well while I waited. Like, I didn't want to do it on camera, so because this is a hair unboxing, a hair reveal. Okay, I gotta get it untangled. I done set y'all, the wig done got tangled up. So it do tangle a little bit if you leave it bunched together, but I guess that happens, huh? So let's go and get this wig on, y'all. I got a little hair. I gotta make this thing tight as shit. How you tighten it up? Okay. Ooh. This little thing a little hard. Y'all, I look like Quaniqua. Quaniqua. Olila, 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 olila. I'm gonna use the hair clips they gave me. Give me some structure. Okay. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this. Like, it got the part over here, I think. Is it like, oh, like I can, okay. Let me find the part. Okay, it has a part. And here goes the part right here. So I'm trying to see if I'm gonna do like a side part or do like a middle part. What y'all think? Side part? I'm gonna do side, cause you can't never go wrong with side like this. This gonna bother the hell out of me. Let's get the wig situated. Okay. And y'all hear the noise? It's my fan. Your girl is hot. It's hot, okay? It's hot in this bathroom, doing content in this bathroom. And my old people don't believe in turning on. Old folks don't believe in turning on no goddamn air. So let's get this lace done. Okay, y'all, so I got it down. I'm finna scrap it on, you know how it go. Alright, y'all, so I got it sprayed on. I got the band on. While that's melting, I want to blow dry it, but I don't have a blow dryer, so hopefully it do what it need to do. So I'm gonna go and fix the part up really quick or whatever. Got me some concealer. Let's move the baby hair out the way. Okay. I'm gonna cut this baby hair, y'all, honestly. I feel like it's just in the way. And it's crazy how far it go back, but y'all, look at it. Woo! Look at that. Y'all, your girl been practicing, okay? I've been practicing. I don't know about them. Get somebody else to do it. Like, I'm gonna pat it in with this. This is my little brush I use for my to pat my concealer in. So I'm gonna do this for the same thing for the part. Trying to see if I should make it go all the way back, but the part kind of stopped like right here, so I might just keep it going. Okay, that looked pretty good. Blend that in, and hopefully you can't really tell in the back what it's looking like back there. Hopefully it just stopped, like, you know what I'm saying. But this lace is really, really good though. Like, this is some great lace. So let me get this dry and get dressed. I'll come back and do the pros and cons of this wig and to let you know, is it worth buying or not. So let's get together. So I got it finished. I did a little baby hair in the front and on the side a little bit. Not too much. I don't know how to do much. So I went on and just sprayed it a little bit so it could stay on just for the night. See, I made sure there's a part in there. I also moussed it with some foam so you look more realistic, more natural. And you guys, I'm loving this hair. It do. I don't like the baby hair that come with it. Like, it's black and the hair is brown, so it didn't kind of add up. But I made it work and it came out cute. Came out really, really cute. So you guys, I actually enjoyed this hair. It's very cute and affordable. If you don't want to get braids, you like, I don't want to go through the process, this is the wig for you. If you do not want to go through the process of sitting there for 4 to 6 hours getting braids, baby, this took me no longer than an hour, probably less than that, because I was trying to do my makeup too. And you guys, you're beautiful. This is beautiful. I love it. So you guys, I don't really have any cons. The only cons I have is the black baby hair. That's it. That's the only con I have. But everything else, you guys, are pros. I love the length of the hair. It's really long. It's really long. I also love that it's big head friendly. Also, for my girls that got little heads like me, it got like the little band in there. It got like a little band in there to make it tighter or loose the way you want it. And it can also be considered as a glueless wig as well. But if you want to stay on just for the night like I did, spray a little glue on, you know, spray a little, you know, a little lace bun on there, baby. That thing will be on there good just for the night, honey. Because, baby, I don't believe in sleeping in no hair. I ain't sleeping in this, coming straight off once I'm done. And y'all, I'm saying it's hot as hell in this bathroom. I told y'all it's hot. Old people don't know how to turn the air on. But you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to the family and you're at the end of this video, subscribe to the family like you did and click that bell if I'm posting different videos. And you guys, let's stay tuned for some next videos because I'm coming back with more content. I know I've been missing, but your girl is back. And I'll see you guys in this video vlog. Peace.